Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can draw a table using the table grid in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have prepared a document in my Microsoft Word, and if we want to draw a table, we can go to the insert menu, and here you can choose the table, and here you will have options to create the table automatically like this, or you can also draw the table manually. I'm just going to go back to insert, and then we can select draw table, and we can draw the table manually like this. I'm going to add the column and then the row as well, just like that. And I'm going to add one more row. Okay, and this is the result. That's super easy, right? And okay guys, that's how we can draw table using the table grid in Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.